Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing of this new Cellular wireless camera that has 4G, unlike the previous one, which is Wi-Fi. So this one, it has 4Gs on it. So you can just put anywhere without the Wi-Fi connections. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And let's see, we're gonna read some of the stuff that it has or that it can do. So you can see right here, it has a camera, solar panel, a couple of screws, stickers, warning stickers, user manual, and Type-C charging cable. Okay, and let's see. Over here, it's a compatible SIM card, which is included. Pan to zoom, built-in speaker, microphone, weather resistant, storage support up to 128 gigabyte, 6-watt solar panel, has siren and spotlight, motion detections, and color night vision, and also multiple user access control. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. After the unboxing, I'm probably gonna do the installation and the setup of the app. Just to show you guys how easy it is. As stated, it does come with the sticker, like a warning sticker, and solar charger. Just a quick guide how to install it. I'm gonna do a demo for you guys. Okay. This one has two of them, or what? Yeah, they included two solo instructions, and this is pretty much like the user manual. So we go through it. You know, it has English and Spanish, and this what it will come with right here. Camera, solar panel, screws, a Type-C charging cable, sticker again, and SIM card and user manual. Okay, I'm gonna show you. There's an app that you need to download to set this up, and depending on the type of system you have, Apple or Google, you can just scan these and then you can download it. And the name of the app is called the Cloud Edge. And here, just show you like quickly where to mount your solar panel, which is, you know, to get enough sunlight during maybe about 5 to 6 hours a day, so that way it stores in the camera, and during the nighttime it will use it from there. So that's pretty much it. Okay. Wow. Oh, look at the texture. This one is totally different from the one that I reviewed last time. Looks nowhere like any solar panel. This is like really like rigid, and it's not reflective at all. Very rugged. Okay, so take it off. So this is just a solar panel. This seemed like a little bit bigger than the one I reviewed too. I think this one's 6-inch, and the previous one was 5-inch, and a couple of screws, and the base, charger, cable. This seems big. And this is the unit itself. So it has built-in battery right here. Okay, so this is how you're gonna mount it, like that. Wonder where's the SIM card? There's another base here, and this is another template for us to drill into for the base. I think maybe the SIM card is already included somewhere in here. So I actually removed the SIM card. It's actually under this housing right here. It's for the weather resistant and water and all that stuff. So, but once you remove it, it does come with the SIM card itself, and it does come with the 128 gigabyte SD card, which is really good. Most of them don't even include anything at all. So I'm just gonna use my iPhone, and I'm gonna use my Pixel to download and do the demo for you guys. So here, and that's the app that you'll be downloading. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you guys how to get this set up. Okay, assuming that you need to download the app first, and you need to create an account. All right, and once you're done with that, you need to click on the app and click on add a device. Okay, so when you click on add a device, this is it's gonna be something like this. This is where you're gonna see the screen like this. Okay, you click on add a device, and then you just pick the correct device that you have. In my case right now, the one that I'm reviewing is a 4G camera. So you click on that one, and then this one, it just follow the instruction on the phone. It tells you exactly what to do. So it tells you make sure the SIM card is inserted, and you're gonna hold down the power button until the red lights in the front is blinking. Okay, and you're gonna wait, because earlier, this part right here, the red light is blinking. You just wait until when it blinks. That means it's connecting to the internet or to the server itself. And you wait until the light turns blue, and then that means it's already connected to the internet, and you can just hit the next button. Once you hit the next button, this screen will pops up, and and on your phone it will have this QR code, and you're just gonna scan this QR code in front of the phone or the camera, and then it will detect and it will activate. And then in my case, it has my name already, because I did have an account, and with that, so they know right away. And after that, the camera pops up, and you just hit next, and then you're gonna be able to view. It's really, really easy. Really, just be patient with it, follow the lights, and then you should be fine. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take it outside, and I'm gonna do the installations, and it should be fairly easy. Now we're gonna do the base for the camera. I already have it before, but they also include it with the template, so you can use that, or you can just use like this, and then use like a drill with a pilot hole, and you can also make a little pilot hole in, and then that way make it easy for you to screw it in. They also come with this. If you were to install it on something with like a drywall or something soft. But since I'm going through like a 2x4, 2x6, I really don't need to use that. So basically I can just go ahead and drill it straight in. And I probably need a longer extension. Be back.
Ba góc nào mình được hả?
Mm-hmm.
Không cần đo hả?
Oh, this is big. I'm going to screw this in. Okay, once that's tight, you go up. Just be careful, have someone hold the ladder for you. It's not that high, but you know, it's kind of scary. And here, you just stick this into this housing, and then you screw it in. Okay, now I just need to do a little bit of the adjustment. Let me untighten this first. Okay, that way it could be easy. Okay, so leave it there. So now I can, wherever I want to face this, make sure you want to face this where you get enough sunlight. So that looks about right. And then once you like it, there you go, about there. Just tighten it so it'll stay where it's supposed to be. Tighten it. And then here, for this one, you're just gonna stick this into the housing, onto the bracket you just installed all the way in. Once it's in, and put the antenna up, the 4G antenna. There you go, so that way you get good reception. And this one right here, to get the power from the solar, push it all the way in, and then you just tighten this. It's gonna seal it watertight. But at the same time, I'm gonna stick this underneath here, so where there's no water that will be able to come in, you know, and we'll be safe. We'll be good with that. And let's see, yeah, I should have something, should put back here for the, yep, just to hide up the camera right there, the wire, you know, put it over there, hide it up there, good enough. And then you just need to remove the little plastic in there, and you're pretty much done. So I'm gonna show you guys through the app how to set up, use it. All right, guys. So as you can see, the camera is set up. I think it has the sound. That's why it's echoey. Okay. What we can do live, and you can see 4G right here, and it has quad HD, standard SD. You can do the screenshot. You can do intercom. You can record. You got motion detection, and you can actually pan, zoom in out as well too. I can try to do that for you. And see, I'm gonna move it around, move it down, and move it up. Right, so you can see it just detects motions, and that's me, and it's sending you like an alert. So if you get like delivery confirmations, you know, this is what it looks like. You know, here you just click on view right there, and it takes you to it. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to load with the connections, but this one, it's really good for if you live far away from your house. You want to put it by the gate, by the entrance, or you want to put it in the barn somewhere. You want to check out your livestock, or you know, or you check on the mailman or a delivery guy. This one is good. The quality, it's clear, it's nice. You can see the leaves right here. And at nighttime, you can turn on the light as well too. Okay. Yeah, turn it off. Really, really good. It's really responsive. Let's see if there's anything else. And here, when you go in here, you can set up, you know, a lot of stuff over here. You get to receive alert. You can set like the image settings. You can flip it around. 360. You can set the alarm, data plans. Okay, so this one comes with it. You can purchase 3 gigabyte for $20.99, 6 gigabyte for $54.99. A lot of stuff. Time setting, work indicator, sound setting. Go there. Installation guide, battery management. Okay, you can restart the device or you can delete the device. Okay, then this does work with, once I did the installation, Alexa automatically detects it. Okay, and it also works with Google Home too if you have that set up there. Let me see if I can try to do the intercom. One, two, three, testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. Yep, it's working. So what else? Let's say I can hit the screenshot. There you go. Once you hit the screenshot, it's saved into your camera, your photo. You can record it. You can record it as well. You can see the red indications. Really neat. Okay, and you click on the history. So if you wanna see, this is when I first try to set it up, the thing. This is in my office, you know. This one you gotta flip it upside down for it to capture the image. Really neat. The fact that it does come with 128 gigabyte, it will save a lot of data before it loops around. Okay. So now it's going back to live data. It's gonna take a little bit, and it's gonna. Okay, so now I'm about 5 feet underneath the camera. I'm gonna walk a little bit further away so see if you guys can see the clarity of it. Here I said about 10 feet. Maybe I would say about 18 feet. I would say about 25 feet. Here about 35 feet. Maybe 45 feet. Here about 50 feet. I would say about 60 feet. I don't know if you guys can see me. It's probably got blocked by the tree branch. But I'm gonna walk in and I'm gonna talk to see if you guys can hear me. Yes, really nice. Very good. All right, guys, so the installation is fairly easy. It's not that hard. You just, I use a drill, but you don't really have to, you know. Actually, there's only 6 screws that you need to screw it in. One for the solar panel and the other one for the anchor to mount the device. And it's pretty, I think it took me about less than 20 minutes. Okay, so, and it's really easy to mount. They give you many different choices where you can mount. I just mounted it onto the wood, but you can use it, you can mount this on soft surface as well too. Yeah, but looks pretty good. All right. Love the clarity, love the pictures, love the 4G. Yeah, so far. All right, so that's pretty much it for this installations and this quick review. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.